mount over that, you put it like a biscuit. Then put it in one place and refurbish it.
Again.
That is the frame you don't want it, Dandy.
Yeah. That's right. Notice the first thing a man buy when I build a board house, you know. Frame out.
Chuck, I want to straight chuck in the band. So anyway, chuck, you have to go long time.
Guys, that's how you move house in Jamaica. You can't really see it, don't you? Song dedicated forward. And my song that you
Liar tell. You.
Why?
How comes that for your song?
Me sing it, but I'm my song.
Wait, Mama say my song, nothing.
BMW not fit the man there. No, it really don't fit the man there. Is that even about fitting him? When I see BMW at Jamaica, I just be there though. But then I look good in that. The man just need for one. For him. Watch him. Sir, go on, you can make the people them sure.
I go listen about wire blocky.
See the house, the people, so you move house at Jamaica.
This is how we do it in Jamaica.
Spotify. Went to the river and caves. Guys, we are at the river. You know what?
Easy for John, this is a cool water.
Chris them up there, so them so forward.
Come here.
I tell you.
I'm not gonna put you in there. Come.
Must make him stay now.
I must not dash the youth in the water. You can't dash him in there.
No, that you don't want you moving from one person to the other end of water. Guys, I'm not telling you, I'm afraid for coming in. I'm afraid. Aja. Every time they did it, it's right as well.
And you said to me, just stay close to your banking. You know, say last night it was hard for me to see for some reason. And me just quick to me say, you always tell me say just stay close to your banking. I'm trying to focus on it, like, babe. No, can you see though? But when I go for the high heel diamond. Yeah, there's a hurricane in Haiti right now, so we kind of feel a little bit of it right now. But we never expect this. Are you expect this? Bombo cards!
Guys, so currently we have tropical storm Lauren outside. It's raining really bad. Some parts it's flooded. I just live right now. I live in a scheme where I'm at, so you're not really gonna see the water as bad in the scheme, but once you go out on the road you will see it. I'm feeling really bad because my friend came from Jamaica. I forgot to vlog that because he was so like drained and tired. But she's currently out there. I'll vlog her when she's awake. It's currently 5 o'clock and it's been raining since night, like really bad. And I felt like the roof was about to blow off. Like that's how bad it was. Yeah, I'll just keep updating you guys on how it is. And guys, let me tell you, I have a toothache right now. I have a bad toothache and I needed to go to the pharmacy so bad. And I don't even know how is that gonna go because I feel like everywhere's gonna be so flooded. Guys, and the thing is, I didn't even have groceries. I had a few groceries left, but just snacks. Not even. I have nothing to eat. Guys, I'm really going through it, but I'll keep you guys updated on Tropical Storm Lauren currently in Jamaica on August 23rd, 24th. Yes, it's a Monday, so I think it's the 24th. Yeah, guys, it's so bad, so bad. I wish I could show y'all, but I'm not a meteorologist and I won't be going outside right now, so I'll keep you guys updated. Guys, the effect of the rain, I think. There's a lot of flooded areas, but I haven't been recording for some reason. I'm so anxious to look at the water. I haven't been recording, but yeah.
Coming for the whole Frank, so no one will remember that over there. Right. Doesn't come live us up, you know? That's stressful. Come here, push that one you're pushing up, Chris. Hold on. You're not gonna laugh, guys, you know what? Next thing we're gonna come on, don't push. He's gonna come.
And I make money for this, sir. You can feel like go line up where you want to.
They have to pay them for pushing.
You pay.
But it's $1 and taxi, I think.
No, but I yesterday I didn't birthday party, you know, Chris. And above, much of people me see him around.
Ridiculously low.
You go over there.
Don't never leave here, guys. We're not stressed like a million and more times. These are anything here. That's what I'm going to say.
That's true, you know?
The food is 1 million on this side. I think I'm pretty forever.
I want to look so shaky down here, so. Chris, I just some that talk about.
Actually, we come this morning and we make it.
Make this morning? I don't have to make it.
That's all.
Wow, for good. That's what I go to make a shoot out. Do it for one.
Be careful.